Okay. I'm recording it right now. So you'll become the host again.
Okay.
All right. So let's go back to sharing your screen. So we're setting a Bybit account, and like I said, the trading Bybit allows for a minimum of a $1 order. So that means that enables us to trade $50, $100, 150, 200. So let's go. So for a $100 account size in Bybit, we can trade 6 coins. Yeah, so we're going to be setting up 6 coins. The first coin you're going to set up is CRV. So how we're going to do this now, you go to CRV, go to markets, tap on markets. So we're setting up $100. $100 on Bybit can do 6 coins, with each coin being $1 entry. But on Binance, if you have $100, you can only do just 1 coin. You can only allow for just 1 coin. So you see that, which is $6. So let's tap on CRV.
Okay.
Tap on CRV. Yes, it opens up like this. So you scroll down to settings. Scroll down to settings. Tap on settings. Okay, now.
Okay.
So our strategy, we're going, because the robot trades on a hedge system. So our type of strategy is millionaire strategy. So type on types of strategy. Types of strategy, millionaire strategy 9, and confirm.
Okay.
Tap on position. Your position is long and short.
Okay.
So yeah, because the robot doing that. Then your leverage is leverage 10. Leverage is 10, not 20. Switch to 10. Okay, so now you're going to switch the long order and the short order from $10 to $1. So it's a $1 there, up there. So you switch from 10 to 1. Yes, both of them will be 1. Yeah, so your stop loss is going to be 100. Yes, it's 100 because your stop loss is 100 times your first order. So because your first order is 1, so 100 times 1 is 100. If your order size was 2, if it was 2, it's going to be 100 times 2, it becomes 200. Yeah, so the multiplication factor is 100. That's the multiplication factor. Okay, now, okay, so scroll down.
Of the profit.
Okay, so your take profit is 10,000. Yes, your total take profit is 10,000. That one is a constant. It doesn't change. So whether you're doing $10,000 account, $5,000, $200, it's always 10,000. Okay. So so what we'll do, these double buttons, we're going to switch them on. For instance, for the first time, we switch them on. We'll switch it off later. We'll turn it on for now. Confirm. So let's see. Okay, you see what he said? Yes, it's because it mostly happens on Androids. Mostly happens on Android, Infinix, and others happens on them. Okay, now change the leverage to 20. Going to be a temporary 20. Just change it to 20 for now. Temporarily, confirm it. Confirm it.
Okay.
Yeah, you see it's going to work this time around.
Succeeded.
So back to settings. So let's go back and change it to 10. Because this is not what we're. Yeah. Go back because of the Android thing. Now change it back to 10. It's going to work this time around. So this is normal. It happens on Android, except for some Samsung phones. Yes. So confirm it now. Confirm it. Then confirm now and you start.
Okay.
Confirm and you start. Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Succeeded.
Yes, succeeded. Then okay, we go to the next coin, which is ApeCoin.
Cool.
Following the table, ApeCoin. Let's go back here. Look for APE. Yeah, that's it. Go do the normal thing. Go scroll down to settings. Confirm. No, 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 no. No. Settings. Sorry.
Okay.
There's nothing. You've not set up anything. Yeah. Settings. Yeah. Types of strategy. Types of strategy first. That
Okay.
won't work. Confirm. You change your position, long and short.
Okay.
Yeah, then you do the normal one. The first order is $1 each.
Okay.
Yeah. So leave the leverage since 10 is not going to work initially. So just go for your stop loss, which is 100. Your take profit is 10,000. Then you turn on the double button. So what does the double button mean? This whether to double the first long order. So this one doubles your initial order in the market. It changes
Yes.
it from $1 to $2. So because your account size is $100, we will not want to leave this on permanently. So we just want the first trade. After it takes it in as $2, we're going to switch it off later. But if you're trading from like a $1,000 and above, or from a $700 and above, we can leave it on permanently. So let's confirm this. Let's confirm this. So we have to be a little bit fast. You confirm it. You go back to settings to change the leverage back to 10. Change it back to 10. Oh no, you went too fast. You went too fast. 8. That's correct.
Ape.
8.
Okay.
Yes, went too fast.
Settings.
Hold on. Up on settings. Hold on. Yes, switch it to 10. Switch leverage to 10.
Okay.
Confirm it and start. Switch leverage to 10. Confirm it and start. Over our next coin. The next one is Dodge. Okay. Start. Okay, you've done that. Our next coin is Dodge. DOGE. Go to Dodge. Yeah. We do the same thing. Do the same thing. Yeah. Confirm. Long and short. $1. Okay. Give me back to 10. Hold on. Let's hold on. Okay. Yeah. 10. Stop. Confirm and start.
Hmm.
Okay. Our next. Okay, we have
Sir?
CHZ. Our
Which
next
one?
is CHZ. CHZ.
Okay.
CHZ. Okay. Okay.
Sorry, please, I want to ask, this coin and the settings, is it the same thing applicable to Binance?
Yeah, depending on your capital, it's the same thing actually, but because Bybit can trade more coins with little capital. So that's why you have $100 doing 6 coins. You understand? But $100 cannot do 6 coins on Binance. $100 can just do just one, which is Dodge. If you have $100 on Binance, you can probably just do Dodge, which is just I think $7. You understand? So the unit order for Binance, the minimum is $6. While here the minimum is $1. That's why you're able to do more on Bybit. So, but if you're doing like $1,000 and above, yes, you can do more. Okay.
Okay. But with 300 now
Bybit
on
Binance
Binance.
actually, yeah.
Say, but with $300 on Binance.
Yeah, with $300 on Binance, you probably will be able to do about 3 coins. Yes. Because of the minimum. You can't do $1. You can see what we're putting here. We're putting in $1 for each of the other sizes.
Yes.
Binance will not accept $1. The minimum Binance will accept is $6. So if you do $6, you see that your capital will not be able to go that far.
Done with that, sir.
Your uni, so go for uni. UNI. UNI.
You said?
Uni.
Okay.
UNI.
Okay.
Search for uni. And let's go. Yeah. 100, 1,000, 1, 1,000. Start. Okay.
Last one, sir.
Link.
Link.
Yes. LINK. Okay. Form. Okay. Right. So the stop loss is always 100 multiplied by your order. The first order is 1, 100 times 1. The first order is 2, is 100 times 2. So I think we are done here. So what happens next is let's go to your activated coins now. Switch to activated coins.
Okay.
Activated coins. Yeah. So all your coins, you see all your coins are already running. The robot is already automatically trading them. So now let's see what this robot is doing in your Bybit. So go to your Bybit and you see it working there also. Same thing is happening. So once we confirm that, we go back and we switch off all those double buttons.
Okay.
Switch off all those double buttons because we've already bought them, so we don't need them again. We switch them off. So just start, go to derivatives, start from derivatives. Yeah,
Yes.
you can see your positions. 12 positions. Scroll down. Position is 12. So what does this mean? The hedge mode is already in action. So for every coin, you are doing 6 coins. So that means you have a long and a short for each of those coins. So you can see all the coins you're trading here. So that tells you it's automated. So it's already working. So just go back to the Bybit and switch it off. So this is how it works, guys. So it's already now the AI has taken charge of your system. So it's trading it automatically. It's a one-time setup, so it's all done. So now
Okay.
we go back to each of them and we turn each button off.
I'll go back to where?
Just tap on it. Tap on each of them one after the other. Tap on it. You go to settings. Turn off those double. Yeah, just you scroll down to settings. Okay, and you turn them off. Those two. And then you confirm. Okay. So you do this for each of them. You've done it for A, you do for CHZ, you do for all of them, you tap and confirm. So this is how it works, and we've successfully done a trade setup for Bybit. So,
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Okay, sir, please, why does he have to turn off the long order and the short order? Like those two things.